Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Do you like your beef rare? Do you go to a restaurant and order a steak saying, just knock its horns off, wipe its ass, and put it on a plate? Then this episode's for you. I'm going to sous vide roast beef. Also this episode, we have Mookie on location for best tropical destination stories. We have Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to make a Bombora Blast and a golden gun. Coming right up on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Aloha and welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great show coming up. First up, I'm going to make a Bombora Blast. Sailor Jerry's rum, 1 ounce, that's a healthy ounce. And I have some Havana Club Anejo. We'll just do a 1/2 ounce of cherry brandy. Lime, and we got some cranberry, guava nectar, and last but not least, we got some Rockstar energy drink because we're gonna party like a rock star. All right, we're gonna give it a little stir, and I have a garnish. Maraschino cherry, lemon, and an umbrella, and that's a Bombora Blast. So coming up next, we have Mookie on location. She's in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands, and she's got best tropical destination story. So take it away, Mookie.
Thank you, Chappy. This is Mookie Betts on location. I'm in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands, just on Emerald Bay. Now, I was going up and down the beach trying to collect best tropical destination stories when I stumbled onto a crime scene. Appears there's a dead body washed up on the beach. Now, the local authorities, St. Thomas CSI, has not arrived yet. I assume they'll be cordoning off the area. It might be difficult to get a chalk outline around the body as it's covered mostly in sand.
Well, Mookie, do you think you could describe the body? Is it male, female, young, old?
Well, I don't really know the sex or age of the victim, but the victim appears to be a seagull. I believe there's some foul play involved. No pun intended, Chappy.
Well, Mookie, I think you just stumbled on a dead seagull on the beach. It's not really a crime scene.
Oh my God, Chappy, the body has just vanished into thin air. I don't know if it's just washed out in the ocean or the mafia came along and scooped it up.
Wait, what? Mookie, did you just eat that seagull?
What you talking about, Willis? Don't be ridiculous. This is Mookie Betts, signing off. Send your best tropical destination stories to Chappy's Tiki Bar at yahoo.com. Back to you, Chappy.
Hey everybody, so today I'm going to sous vide a roast. So I got a nice top sirloin. I've already put it on the grill. So how the sous vide works is I'm going to put the roast in the bag. I'm going to put the bag in the water. So the sous vide is going to cook the roast to whatever temperature I want. I'm going to set it to 129 degrees, so it'll be nice and rare. I've already gave it a good grilling, basically to cause something called the Maillard effect. Basically, that just means there's flavor in the brown. So the meat is already browned, and then it's going to cook with the juices of the browned meat. So I'm just putting it in the bag. And I'm going to put a little lubricant in there. So I got some nice extra virgin olive oil. And then some salt. And then I have some Kansas City steak seasoning. Montreal steak seasoning also works very nicely. So we'll get a good schwack of that. And then we'll zip it closed. And then I'm going to submerge it in water for 3 hours and cook it at 129 degrees. And then we'll finish it off on the grill. And then we'll have a nicely rare top sirloin roast coming up. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha and welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I'm making mini Yorkies with some rare roast beef. I have some leftover roast from last night, so we're going to take the leftovers and make a nice little appetizer. So I'm going to do the Yorkies in just a little sort of muffin tin thing here, but I'm going to put it on the barbecue, which is going to be interesting. So with the Yorkies, very simple recipe for Yorkshire pudding. Just 3 eggs. And a cup of flour. And a cup of milk. And what we're going to do is whisk it up. And then I'm going to put oil in this muffin tin thing here. I'm going to put it on the barbecue without the mixture in it. Let the oil get scorching hot. Then I'll pour the mixture in, cover up the barbecue, and hopefully they'll rise a little bit, and I'll have nice little Yorkshire puddings. So we need a beverage to go with our Yorkies. So I am going to do a Golden Gun from my Smuggler's Cove book. So we'll get started on that. So it calls for 3/4 ounce of fresh lime. I'll get some ice in there. So that was 3/4 ounce of fresh lime, a 1/2 ounce of fresh grapefruit juice, some Demerara syrup. This is just simple syrup made with Demerara sugar. I made it myself. And then it calls for 2 different kinds of rum. But what the heck, I'm going to put 3 different kinds of rum. So I got a little Sailor Jerry's, dark Captain Morgan's, and some aged rum, Cruzan rum from St. Croix. Okay, and last but not least, I have some Angostura bitters. It says 2 dashes of that. And now we'll give it a shaky. Nice umbrella garnish. And that is a Golden Gun. Cheers. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a like. And this is Chappy saying, life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.